Hello and welcome back. In this video we finished ID P&L key, and also I'll show you how to debug and work with this script and find some mistakes which you can apply in your script. Let's go to P&L and copy the variable script P&L ID. In fact table, let's use this variable in load statement. So use $sign and put our script. Let's save and load. As you can see, we have some mistake. And actually, this variable becomes a part of load statement. So let's copy it and check. So here, instead of or and statement, we use plus. So that's why we have that problem. To debug it, actually you can copy all this variable and add it to their load statement and check if you have any problems. But actually we can go to their Excel template again, open it, and instead of plus we just use or statement. And here again, or statement. Let's save and close. And let's load our data. As you can see, we don't have any problems. Let's go to the sheet and check our analysis mode. And you can see we generate our P&L ID P&L key. We can go and see that actually we don't have one P&L key. I think we also have some problems. Actually, instead of key number 4200, we actually should use account number 010. Okay, and you can use that technique while you're debugging all your data. Let's go to load editor, load data, close, and go to the sheet. And as you can see, we change our condition to the right, and when it's fulfilled, we add the row number 1. Okay, in next step, we should generate the bridge table to connect that ID P&L key to actually P&L template. Let's go to load editor and add new section and call it P&L bridge. It will be not complicated, just call P&L bridge, load statement, and we'll use for that after generator and field value count function. Let's use field after generate, field value account, and we use ID P&L. So we see here our ID P&L. Let's copy it and use add for field value count. Then we use field value, and it will be ID P&L, and for the number we use rec number, and we use and call it ID P&L ID. Next, we add some nested load. And we use subfield function, which is generate that mapping. So ID P&L to P&L row number. So subfield, and it will be ID P&L ID. We use the row, and let's call it for the testing ID P&L ID check. And here we have ID PL ID. Let's save. Close here. Let's save again and reload data. PNL ID not found. So here we missing here the not signed but percent. Let's save the load and load data again. Okay, go to our inspector, change the table to the PNL bridge, and as you can see, we successfully generate that bridge table. So for 4.1 we have 1 and 4, and here we have empty values because when we generate, actually we have extra row in the end. So let's go to the our PNL bridge. First we call PNL ID and let's name it ID PL. Yep. And to double check that we don't have any empty rows, let's add extra nested load where we check that PNL row number, which is here. Let's check the name in Excel. So it's PNL row number. Let's close. So here will be the PNL row number, where PNL row number more than 0. Let's save, load data. Then let's go to model viewer. And we have account load, which is we load before. We have PNL bridge with perfect density and subset ratio. And we here have our PNL template. So we've done what we planned, and see you in the next video